Hello and welcome to my channel. So today let's look at the Leetcode 96 unique binary search tree. Given integer n, return the number of unique BSTs, which has exactly n nodes of unique values from 1 to n. So the first example is 1n is 3. The number of unique binary search tree is 5. Uh, second, second example is 1n is 1. The number of unique binary search tree is 1. So the n is between 1 and 19. So this question, we can use dynamic programming. We can define a dp, where dpi is represent to a number of unique BSTs for which has a exactly I nodes. This is to define. So where I is between 1 and n. So then we want to initialize the dp0. The dp0 is actually there is only one. It should be 1 because empty it is also like a null is also a tree. So we can so then we need to have the equation. So the dpi is will be the sum of dp j minus 1 times dp I minus j. So where j will be between 1 and 1 and I. So this equation we can actually think about. We are iterating through all the possibility. So when the tree is using node 1 as a root, and when the tree is using node 2 as a root, and like such and such until like using I as a root. So we are adding all those together. So it will be the possibility of like I nodes. So and for example, also for like for using 2 as a root node, we actually have everything larger than 2 will be on the right side. Everything smaller than 2 will be on the left side. So this actually on the left side there is like dp1, which is 2 minus 1 is dp1 of possibility, and on the right side there will be dp I minus 2. So here j is 2. So in the equation, so actually we need to multiply this 2, which will be the number of unique BST using 2 as a root node, root value. So so actually then that's how we got this transition function. So in the end the output will be dpn. So the time complexity will be O of n squared, and the space will be O of 1. Let's start writing the code. So we define an n plus 1 length dp, and then define dp, initialize dp0 as 1. And then we can iterate I and j. So then we can just do dpi, update the dpi, j minus 1 times dpi minus j, and then in the end just return the dp. And let's check if okay, yeah. So yeah, let's submit it. Okay, yeah, it passed. So so this conclude today's session. So if you have any question, please let me know in